My Van Book. Please write your name and number on the byline. Today's focus sight word is the word van. Van is made up of a few special sounds. The beginning sound in van is made with two letters, TH. TH says the word van also ends in AN. When an A is next to an N, we say the sound like this. An. The word van can be sounded out like this. An. Van. Would you please spell the sight word van with me? T-H-A-N. Van. I'm going to read aloud to you, and then I'd like you to read back to me. Make sure you use your finger to track while you read, and notice that the sentences end with question marks, so we're going to make our voice sound like we're asking a question. Is there anything taller than a giraffe? Please circle the sight word van. Would you sound out the word van with me? An. Van. Read after me. Is there anything smaller than a mouse? Please circle the sight word van. Spell the word van with me. T-H-A-N. Van. Read after me. Is there anything stronger than a lion? Circle the sight word van. Sound out the word van with me. An. Van. Well done. The word van is used to compare. To compare means to see if something is the same or different than something else. I would also like to show you this big long word on your page. This word is a word that is made up of two smaller words. The long word is anything. It's called a compound word because it is made up of two smaller words. Any and thing. It is one word, anything. Is there anything bigger than an elephant? Please circle the sight word van. Spell the word van with me. T-H-A-N. Please put your finger on the compound word. Remember, our compound word is two words that are put together to make one new word. Anything is a compound word. It's made of two words put together. Any thing. Anything. Is there anything louder than a bird? Please circle the sight word van. Would you please spell the word van with me? T-H-A-N. Van. Put your finger on the compound word. Did you put your finger on the word anything? Anything is a compound word. It is made of two smaller words put together, any and thing. Anything. Read after me. Is there anything scarier than a snake? Circle the sight word van. Sound out the word van with me. An. Van. Would you please find the first word in the sentence? Put your finger on the first word in the sentence. The first word in the sentence is the word is. Is. Do you notice that it starts with a capital letter? Why is that? Why does the first word in a sentence starting with a capital letter? If you were thinking it's because all good sentences start with a capital letter at the beginning to show a sentence's beginning, then you are absolutely correct. All good sentences must start with a capital letter at the beginning. Read after me. Is there anything cuter than a kitten? Circle the sight word van. This time we're going to spell and sound out the word van. We'll begin with spelling. Ready? Begin. T-H-A-N. Van. Now let's sound out. An. Van. Well done. Nice reading today. Now that you are finished, you may color your reader with detail. Or another idea for today, since this book is all about comparing things using the word van, I would like to challenge you to try to think if there is something else you can think of that is cuter than a kitten, scarier than a snake, louder than a bird, bigger than an elephant, stronger than a lion, smaller than a mouse, or taller than a giraffe, and draw that on the page next to the illustration. When you are ready, you also next need to complete your daily sight word journal page. That is in your daily packet. You need to write one sentence using the sight word of the day, which is the sight word van. When you are finished, make sure to check your work using the 5-star writing checklist to make sure you started your sentence with a capital letter, you have finger spaces in between your words, and you end with a punctuation mark, such as a question mark, a period, or an exclamation mark. Make sure you include the word van somewhere in your sentence. You may also choose to copy one of your sentences from your sight word reader. Have a parent check it over and ask for help if you get stuck on spelling.